I'm here today in our ongoing series of podcasts with Dr. William Large, who's Senior Lecturer in Philosophy at the University of Gloucester, who is going to talk to us today about Plato.
I am.
And the first question I wanted to ask you was, is there in Plato some connection or link between knowledge on one hand and virtue on the other?
There is. For Plato, ethics is essentially about reason and knowledge. And this comes from the early dialogues in Socrates. The key question for Plato is, can one know the good? In other words, if one had knowledge about ethical virtues or ethical rules or laws, one could know what was good or bad in advance. Against that, he's opposing it to the idea that morals are just based on customs or traditions.
So is he of the view that we tend to do wrong out of some type of ignorance?
Yes, basically, if we actually knew the good, then we would do the good. We only end up doing bad things or evil things because we don't have knowledge. You could use an example here of health, and Plato uses health examples a lot in his dialogues. So if you really knew that smoking, for example, was bad for you, you wouldn't smoke. You only smoke because you don't really know it's bad for you.
So his use of knowledge isn't knowledge in a trivial sense. You won't know it's bad for you, but you don't really know means something deeper.
It does, yeah. And the analogy here you could use is mathematics. That's the kind of ideal that Plato is aiming at. So once you understand that 2 + 2 = 4, you know it equals 4. There's no debate about it. And the same way you know a triangle has 3 sides. This is objective knowledge. And Plato is imagining one could have the same kind of objective knowledge in ethics.
Thank you.